When we can inspire our teachers, then they in turn will inspire our children. Hello everyone, this is Anjum Babukhan, and I'd like to wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Today was a beautiful session that I was able to take for all our faculty who are part of our teaching and learning community. And the title was Sharpen the Saw, Illuminating the Full Spectrum of Human Potential. This was a little treat and gift from my side to all the faculty so that they can become the best versions of themselves. And this was done in an illustrative format so that they can be inspired and work on harnessing their human potential across this beautiful spectrum of our God-given capabilities that Allah has blessed us with.